My sisters and brothers, Assalamu alaikum. I am not a professional YouTuber and don't know much about algorithm, but the video reached you because Allah wants you to hear this message. In today's video, we will discuss how to reduce stress after failure in life with patience and hope in Allah. Life is a journey filled with struggle, aspiration, and uncertainties. Every human being strives for a better life, whether through education, hard work, relationships, or personal growth. In life, we often face moments when we desperately want to help our loved ones, striving for success and prosperity. Yet, despite our best efforts, circumstances may seem to stand in our way. There may be times when it feels like we are not making the progress we hope for, or we feel that obstacles are too great. Many of us strive to reach a level of success where we can support and help our families in the best possible way. It's a natural desire to want to alleviate their burdens and ensure their well being. However, there are times when, despite the effort, hard work, and good intentions, we find ourselves unable to provide for them in the way. This struggle can be disheartening, leading to feelings of frustrations, confusion, and doubts. Success in life often comes with its challenges, but it is essential to understand that there is a greater reason behind these challenges, and sometimes the journey we endure serve a higher purpose that we may not fully comprehend at the moment. In Islam, it's taught that Allah's plan is always the best for us, even we can't see in the moment. Allah's timing is perfect, and He's the best of planners. What may feel like a failure or disappointment today could be a stepping stone towards something greater that you can't yet comprehend. Sometimes the dreams we chase are not that will bring us true peace and fulfillment. Instead, Allah might be steering us toward path that will lead to something far more rewarding in the long term, even if it does not align with our original expectations. Test of patience, sabr. Life's difficulties can be test of your patience. In Islam, having patience during hardships is highly valued. Allah promises rewards for those who persevere with a good attitude, as mentioned in the Quran. When life doesn't go as planned, it's important to trust in Allah's wisdom and have faith that there is a greater purpose behind every hardship. It could be that the failure you are facing now is a test of your patience, resilience, and faith. Allah often uses moments of struggle to help us grow spiritually, to remind presence, and to prepare us for blessings we could not even imagine. The Quran reassures us of this in several verses, such as, "And perhaps you hate something and it is good for you, or you love something and it is bad for you, and Allah knows and you do not." This verse reminds us that our limited perception can't fully capture the wisdom behind life events. What we might view as a setback could actually be Allah's way of protecting us from something worse or guiding us to a better path. In those moments of difficulty, it's essential to remember that Allah is with us and He never burdens us beyond what we can bear. Even in the darkest time, when we feel our dreams are slipping away, Allah's plan for us is still unfolding, often in ways that are beyond our imagination. By placing our trust in Him, continuing to seek His guidance, and remaining patient, we can be assured that eventually we will see the beauty and purpose in our struggles. Trusting in the belief that Allah has a plan for us can bring comfort during these challenges. Time. Even when things seem to be falling apart, it might be a sign that something better is on the way, or that we are being prepared for something greater in the future. Patience and faith can help us stay strong during difficult moments. Islam teaches a balance between personal effort and trust in Allah. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon, said, "Tie your camel and then put your trust in Allah." This means that while we must work hard and make plans, we should also recognize that ultimate control lies with Allah. Our job is to strive, pray, and remain patient, knowing that whatever happens is for our ultimate good. Ultimately, it's not the absence of hardship or failure that defines success, it's the ability to keep going, to keep trusting, and to keep moving forward. Believe that Allah has something greater in store for us, even if we can't see it yet. Have you had any experience where something difficult led to a better outcome later on?